religion and evolution. This is the second video I'm doing. You know, in my eyes, I don't really believe in the whole Earth was created in 7 days. It doesn't seem right in my eyes. I mean, in my eyes. If it did happen, wow, that's amazing, you know. God must really be that powerful. Well, not powerful, but like, well, he is powerful, I guess. But, like, and then another thing, I believe, you know, it took the Big Bang to create the Earth in a long time. Very long time. But, I also believe that, the whole Adam and Eve thing, you know, I mean, if it did happen, that's great. But it's like, it makes me wonder, you know, like, you know, it's me questioning God and his beliefs and in the Bible, but like, if God, Adam and Eve only had kids that were boys, you know, they only had sons, then, makes you wonder, because, like, if they only had sons, then how did the world get populated like it is now? Did Eve have children with her own kids? Makes you wonder, actually. But everyone, you know, has doubts, so. But, I'll do some more videos based on this. I'm gonna do one for the end of the world at the end of the Bible, so eventually. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and talk to you soon.